The ITOP 03 electric coffee grinder is a household coffee grinder featuring a 48mm 7-core conical burr, designed for precise and consistent grinding, ideal for espresso and other brewing methods. It has a 100W DC motor, grinding 18G of beans in about 24 seconds. Compatible with 110V and 220V power supplies, it offers adjustable settings for different grind sizes. The grinder is durable, with 420 stainless steel burrs and a user-friendly design, making it a popular, cost-effective alternative to premium models like the Varia VS3. Key features: precision grinding. The 48mm 7-core conical burr provides consistent particle size, crucial for balanced extraction and rich flavor profiles. Durable construction, crafted from high-nitrogen 420 stainless steel. Efficient performance. Powered by a 100W DC motor, the grinder can process 18 grams of beans in approximately 24 seconds, making it suitable for both quick espresso shots and leisurely brewed cups. User-friendly design. Features like a magnetic bean hopper cover and calibration ring allow for easy adjustments and maintenance, enhancing the overall user experience. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.